Hey everyone, welcome to this super exciting crash course. Picture this. Just 30 days ago, I was stumbling over English words like a clumsy kid on a playground. I couldn't say a full sentence without blushing, and I thought, English? That's too hard for me. But today, I'm here, talking to you in English, clear, confident, and happy. And guess what? I learned it all at home, using just my phone. No fancy schools, no big books, no expensive classes, just me, my phone, and $30. Days of fun. And the best part? You can do it too. This isn't some boring lecture with big words and dull rules. Nope. This is your complete A to Z guide to learning English fast, easily, and for free, right from your bed, couch, or wherever you're chilling right now. I'm not a teacher or a language expert. I'm just a regular person who said, I want to change my life. And I did it. If I can, trust me, you can too. So, grab your phone, get comfy, and let's dive into this adventure together. Oh, and if you love this video, please hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below. Tell me why you want to learn English. Let's make this fun, inspiring, and life-changing, okay? Here we go. Let's start with the fun stuff. Why English is so amazing. English is like a magic key that unlocks a whole new world. Want to make friends from different countries? English can do that. Want to watch your favorite movies, like Spider-Man or Frozen, without waiting for subtitles? English has you covered. Want to get a cool job or travel the world without feeling lost? Yup, English again. For me, I wanted to talk to my cousin who lives in America. She speaks English all the time, and I was tired of saying, huh? Every time she called. Plus, I wanted to sing along to my favorite songs without sounding like a confused parrot. What's your reason? Maybe you want to chat with people online, ace a school test, or just feel proud of yourself. Whatever it is, write it down, or just think about it right now. That why is your fuel. It's what will keep you going when you're tired or unsure. Learning English isn't just about words. It's about opening doors to a bigger, brighter life. I felt so small before I started, but now I feel like I can do anything. You will too. And the coolest part? You don't need money or a classroom, just your phone and a little bit of heart. Before we get into the how-to stuff, let's talk about the most important thing: believing in yourself. I used to think English was only for smart people or kids who grew up speaking it. I'd hear someone talk fast and think, I'll never be that good. But one day, I got fed up. I looked in the mirror and said, enough excuses. I can learn English. I will learn English. And you know what? That tiny shift in my head changed everything. So, right now, say it with me, out loud. I can learn English. I will learn English. Go ahead, I'll wait. Did you feel that little spark? That's your power waking up. You don't need to be perfect from day one. You don't even need to be good. You just need to start. Mistakes? They're your best buddies. I messed up so many times, like when I said, I eat my phone, instead of, I use my phone. I laughed, fixed it, and kept going. Every mistake made me better. So, promise yourself, no fear, just fun. Tell yourself you're a star in the making, because you are. Ready? Let's jump into the real action. Okay, now let's get practical. You don't need a complicated plan with charts and timers, just a small, easy one that works. I learned English in 30 days by spending 1-2 hours a day with my phone. Some days I did less, some days more. It's so flexible. Here's what my plan looked like. 15 minutes. Listening to English songs or short videos. 15 minutes. Learning 5 to 10 new words and saying them out loud. 15 minutes. Practicing speaking, even if I was just talking to my wall. 15 minutes. Watching something fun in English, like cartoons or YouTube clips. That's 1 hour total. You can do this while eating breakfast, riding the bus, or lying in bed at night. Don't have an hour? Even 30 minutes works. The secret is doing it every single day for 30 days. It's like brushing your teeth. Make it a habit, and it sticks. I missed a day once, felt lazy, but got back to it the next day. Consistency beats everything, even talent. I'm living proof of that. Want to tweak it? Maybe you love music, spend more time on songs. Or maybe you're a talker, focus on speaking. Make it your plan. The key is to keep it simple and stick to it. By day 30, you'll be shocked at how far you've come. Your phone isn't just for scrolling or selfies. It's your English teacher now. I turned mine into a superhero tool, and you can too. Here's how. Download free apps like Duolingo, BBC Learning English, or Memrise. Duolingo is like a game. You earn points while learning words. I played it every morning with my coffee. It was so fun. I forgot I was studying. BBC Learning English has short, audio lessons you can hear anywhere, on a walk, in the kitchen, wherever. Memrise helps you remember words with funny tricks. I learned apple by picturing a dancing apple. Silly, but it worked. Pick one or try them all. They're free. You're already on YouTube, right? Search for Learn English for Beginners or Easy English Conversations. Channels like English Addict with Mr. Steve, Learn English with Emma, or Shaw English are gold mines. I watched 1-2 videos a day. Some were just 5 minutes. Start with subtitles, then try without. At first, I understood maybe 20%, but by day 20, I was catching 80%. Pick videos you like, funny ones, cooking ones, whatever keeps you watching. Love music? Use it. Pick easy English songs like Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Yes, it's simple. Baby Shark, or Shake It Off by Taylor Swift. Listen once, then sing along, even if you sound terrible. Look up words you don't know. I sang Shape of You by Ed Sheeran so much, my little brother begged me to stop, but I learned words like shape, dance, and love without even trying. Music sticks in your brain. Use that power. Don't know a word? Type it into Google Translate. Hear how it sounds? Save it, and practice it later. I made a list on my phone. Happy, food, friend, sun, and said them daily. By week 2, I didn't need to check as much. It's like having a tiny teacher in your pocket. Your phone is your classroom now. Use it smart, and you'll be speaking English like a champ. Don't scare yourself with big words like extraordinary yet. Start small and build up. Here's how I did it. Day 1 to 5. Learn basics like hello, goodbye, yes, no, please, thank you, I am. Say each one 10 times out loud. Feel them roll off your tongue. Day 6-10. Add simple stuff. I am happy. I am hungry. I like water. You are nice. Mix them up and play with them. Day 11-15. Try questions. Are you okay? What is this? Do you like food? Where are you? Say them like you're asking your best friend. Practice these with your phone. Record yourself saying them. I sounded like a robot at first, all stiff and slow. But by day 10, I was smoother. My trick? I pretended I was in a movie, talking to the hero. Small steps, big wins. Trust me, it adds up fast. Listening is your secret weapon. The more you hear English, the easier it gets to understand. Here's how I turned into a listening pro. Watch kids' shows. Shows like Peppa Pig, Dora the Explorer, or Bluey use slow, clear words. I watched Peppa Pig and giggled at her muddy puddles. Meanwhile, I learned jump, pig, and family. Repeat everything. Pause the video and copy what they say. Peppa says, "I love jumping." You say it too. Dora asks, "Can you say map?" You shout, "Map." It's like a game. Slow it down. On YouTube, use the speed settings. 0.75x or 0.5x if it's too fast. I slowed down videos at first, then sped them up as I got better. I listened every day, sometimes while brushing my teeth or eating snacks. By day 15, I could pick out words like dog or run without thinking. By day 25, I understood whole sentences. Your ears will get sharper every day. Just keep listening. Speaking is the scariest part, but it's the fastest way to grow. You don't need a partner. Talk to yourself. Mirror magic. Stand in front of a mirror and say, "Hi, I'm your name. I like something. I'm learning English." Smile big. It feels good. Phone fun. Record yourself on your phone. Say 5 sentences, like, "I am happy today. The sky is blue. I like pizza." Listen back, laugh at the funny bits, and try again. I did this daily. My voice went from shaky to strong. Copy the pros. Watch a YouTube video, pause it, and repeat what they say. Pretend you're the star. I copied a guy saying, "Hello, welcome to my channel," and felt like a YouTuber myself. At first, I talked to my dog. He just wagged his tail, no judgment. Then I talked to my plants, my mirror, even my lunch. By day 20, I could say, "I want to eat rice today because I'm hungry," without stopping to think. You'll feel weird. Then you'll feel like a rock star. Reading and writing seal the deal. Keep it super easy. Read fun things. Google easy English stories, or use apps like Wattpad. I read a story about a lost kitten. Short, cute, and full of words like cat, run, home. Jokes. Work, too. Why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad. Silly, but I learned red and salad. Write 5 sentences. Every day, write something simple. I am happy. I ate bread. The sun is hot. My dog is funny. I like TV. Use new words you've learned. I wrote on my phone. Easy. Chat a little. Use apps like Hello Talk or WhatsApp to text in English. I messaged a friend, "Hi, how are you?" "I am good," and got a reply. It felt like a prize. Start with 5 minutes a day. By day 30, I wrote a whole paragraph about my day. 10 sentences. You'll go from shaky scribbles to smooth stories. Learning should be fun, not boring. I made it a game, and you can too. Word hunt. Pick 5 new words daily, like tree, run, big, eat, sky. Use them in sentences. Bonus points if you say them to someone or sing them. Song challenge. Learn 1 song a week. Start with Happy Birthday. It's short. By day 7, sing it perfectly. I nailed Let It Go and felt like Elsa. Reward time. Finish 5 days. Eat a cookie. Finish 10 days. Watch an English movie. I watched Spider-Man after 15 days. So epic. I treated English like a treasure hunt. Every word was a shiny coin. Every sentence a chest of gold. You'll love it when it's a game, not a chore. You will mess up, and that's awesome. I said, "I am a chicken" once when I meant I like chicken. My family laughed so hard, and I did too. Another time I said, good noodle instead of good morning. Oops. Every mistake taught me something. When you goof up, say, ha ha, let's fix that, and try again. By day 30, my mistakes were tiny, like saying foots instead of feet. You'll get there too. Just keep smiling. After 30 days, see how amazing you are. Talk to someone. Call a friend, chat online, or talk to a family member. I called my cousin. She said, "Wow, you sound so good." I almost cried. Watch without subtitles. Pick a movie or show. I watched Frozen and understood 80%. Elsa's Let It Go hit different. Try something easy like Peppa Pig first if movies feel big. Write a note. Write 10 sentences about your day. Today I woke up. I ate eggs. I learned English. I am happy. Read it loud. Feel that pride. Celebrate every win. Dance, eat cake, or just grin like crazy. You did it. I jumped around my room on day 30 yelling, "I'm an English star." You'll feel that too. Talk daily. Even after 30 days, keep speaking to yourself, friends, anyone. It's your habit now. Join friends online. Find English learners on apps or groups. Share your story. They'll cheer you on. Dream bigger. Use English for your dreams, jobs, travel, new hobbies. It's your superpower now. I still learn every day. English isn't just words. It's my ticket to a bigger life. Make it yours, too. Wow! We made it! You've got the full crash course. Everything I did to learn English at home in 30 days with my phone. You don't need cash, a classroom, or a teacher. Just your phone and your amazing self. Start today. Say one word. Watch one video. Sing one song. In 30 days, you'll be a new you. Stronger, braver, and ready to shine. I believe in you. You're not just learning English. You're building a superstar version of yourself. So, what's your first step? Drop it in the comments. I can't wait to hear. And if this video helped you, smash that subscribe button. Let's grow this family of dream chasers together. See you in the next video. Keep rocking it, okay? Bye.